Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you seen by the title, we are curling hair today. So I achieved these curls using this flat iron right here, and it's very easy to do. Like if you're someone that struggles to curl your hair using maybe a straightener or a benny rollers, I feel like this is like an easy option for you. So I'm not a hairstylist or anything like that. I also sometimes struggle curling my hair, and I feel like this is just the best thing ever. So if you're interested in finding out on how I achieved these curls, then please do keep on watching, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll be telling you guys where I got my hair and all of that. And yeah, let's get into the video. So I just washed this hair, guys, now, and it just came out of the dryer. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna brush it. Can I tell you guys, like, this hair has been through the most. Like, it has been through so much, and I'm quite surprised that the quality is still the same. Okay, because I've bleached this hair, I've dyed it I don't know how many times, because I was trying to achieve like platinum blonde, and that didn't really work. So I think I have a video on how I turned this hair from black to blonde. And in that video I bleached the hair, and I had bought it dye, and I dyed it, and it didn't come out the color that I wanted it to come out. And then I bought another dye, this other Garnier dye. I dyed it, and it didn't come out the way that I wanted it to. And that dye had said that it's gonna turn this hair into a platinum blonde hair, and it didn't. Like, nothing happened when I used it. It's this other Garnier I was so mad because I wasted my money buying those things. So now after that, okay, I left it like that, and then yesterday I bought bleach. I bleached the hair, and it came out like this. I think I'm happy with this color, but I wish it was a bit lighter. I wish it was a bit more grayish, because that's the look that I was going for. But I'm happy with how it looks like now. I don't think I'm gonna try and do anything anytime soon. I'm just gonna let it dress because I've put this hair through so much. So this is the 22 inches from Julia Hair. I will list down for you guys the details in the description box. This was a straight hair. This is a Peruvian. So if you check out my previous video, you'll be able to see how the hair was like before it got to this stage that we're at right now. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start from, where are we gonna start from? Okay, it doesn't really matter where you start, I think. So I'll start from here, this section right here. So this is the curling iron I'm gonna be using. It is very hot, guys. Like, it's really hot. It's been on the thingy in the plug for like the longest time. And then just twist. Oh my gosh, these birds. Then you want to hold it for a minute or two, depending on how much time you have. This is like the easiest way to curl hair. If you don't know how to curl hair, then we can just leave it like that, and then section off the other part. And just literally just twist it in there, and then the curler will do everything for you. Look how nice that thing is, the curl. It looks so pretty. Guys, it's a new year. Happy New Year. Do you guys have any New Year's resolution? I think mine, I always have the same one like each and every year. And this year again, it's still gonna be the same one because I haven't achieved what I wanted to achieve. So every year I go on about how I'm gonna start going to the gym and have a nice body, blah 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 blah. And I mean, I've tried it, but like it doesn't seem to be working out. So, and I think that I actually like I owe myself like a banging body this year. So I'm gonna try and sign up to go to gym, and we'll see how it goes. I really want my body to like to look nice like other kids. It's so frustrating. Like, it's so frustrating. These birds are making noise. It's so frustrating, and I wish there was a way you can actually pay someone to go to gym for you. Like, I don't know, when there's like something, but you bring body too. Like, you chill at home while someone takes I don't know, and yes, but like someone takes your body and they go to gym for you while you're relaxing and like, you know, not stress about anything. But unfortunately, it's not like that. So I really wish life was like that, because now I would be stress free. I would just pay someone and yell at you in pill in the bit. But now, tricky. Another thing that I'm hoping for this year, I'm hoping to be collaborating with like more brands, and also maybe like other YouTubers and stuff, because I haven't really had something like that. So it's something that I'm hoping to do by the end of this year. I've been trying so hard, guys, to like be a consistent person. I feel like so far I haven't been as bad as I used to be. I feel like I'm doing better than what I used to stuff. But now it's a new year. I feel like each and every, I don't know if I should post like every week or what, or like every, or how many times. I don't know how many times I should post in a week. But I think at least if I can post like once a week, it will like make life so much better. And also we reach 3K subscribers, which is very exciting. I'm really, really excited about that. Thank you guys so much, and hopefully we'll grow some more. So hopefully 2020 is gonna be a year. So now I'm just gonna continue doing the same thing now, guys. It's really easy on how you can achieve these curls. So I'm gonna continue just curling the hair, and then yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm done. So this part, which I wanted to sort of like have that, you see that I don't know how to explain it, but like something a little bit like this. Even yeah, and yeah, but this one is a style. But like that's why I left this part and not, I'm gonna curl it. It's just that it won't be, it will be up to, I think I will start from here. Uh, uh. This one I wanted it to. Which, guys, thing is, I'm not a hairstylist, so like I don't know how to do this thing that I want. I want it to be like this, nah? But at the same time the curl must be, I don't know how to do it. Yeah, something like that, almost. Ouch! Ouch! burnt myself. Don't be like me. Maybe wear gloves, guys. Nah? Don't be like me. That was so painful. That was so painful. Okay, yeah, I think we're done. And the hair is from Julia Hair, in case you missed it and stuff. I'm quite happy with how they look. Guys, like I said, if you don't know how to curl hair, a curling iron, a tong is the best way to go because it does the job for you. You literally have to twist the hair into it and you are done. So I'm quite happy. I'm very happy with how they turned out. Like I feel like they gave me that, I don't know, like they gave me life. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy new year. I hope you guys have an amazing year and stuff, and that all your dreams and goals is there no needs achieving. Hopefully I'll be doing the same. And also, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click that little bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. I'm happy with these girls. It's a nigga life. It's a nigga life. So yeah, if you I don't even know what to say. So if you like this, how this looked now, please comment down below and let me know what you think and all of that. And also just hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Like, can you subscribe? I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye until next time.